is Olga with GEM Accounting and Tax. GEM Accounting and Tax is a CPA firm that offers tax and accounting services for organizations in early childhood education. So today we want to see if we can link the summer with taxes, your summer activities with taxes. Hey, it's summertime, so I'm very, very sure that it's wedding season. So what does this mean? This really means that a lot of people are getting married, and when you do get married, guess what? Your filing status changes. So, for example, maybe previously you were single or you had dependents, so your filing status maybe wasn't single, maybe it was head of household. When you do get married, you get to file and you get the option of filing jointly with your new spouse. And in my experience, individuals that file together, the individuals who are married and they choose to file together, get the best write-offs. They get better standard deductions. They open up a whole world of credits that if they were not filing jointly, they wouldn't get. So consider that. Congratulations that you're getting married, but guess what? Your filing status is going to be different. It's going to change, and it's possibly for good. Yep. Summertime is also a time for summer camp. Yes, those of us that have kids. At this time, if you're still keeping up with your work schedule, right? Work doesn't end just because it's summer. But if if you still have to maintain your work schedule, you will obviously consider taking your kids to summer camp. Did you know that the amount you're spending on summer camp could qualify for dependent care expenses, therefore lowering your taxes? So make sure you're keeping track of how much you're spending. And if you're working with a reputable provider, at the end of the year, they're going to send you a statement showing how much money you've spent with them. A lot of times they will include their EIN number. You want to know the business name and the EIN number. If it's an individual, like a sole proprietor offering this service, they'll probably have the social security number there as well. So get this information because it could possibly lower your taxes. Okay. Summertime is also a good time for part-time work. I know a lot of people who participate in the gig economy, whether you're doing rideshare services, grocery delivery, that can, obviously give you more income, but at the same time open up a way for you to write off more. So, for example, when you do have income from your rideshare business, you could write off things like mileage. Mileage can significantly lower your taxes, right? And so you want to keep track of these types of expenses. Just a hint, if you are working like with a rideshare company like Uber or Lyft, at the end of the year, they're going to give you a statement of your miles. But I would encourage you to also keep your own log. A lot of times, their log might be lower, their numbers might be lower than what you would get if you kept track of your own numbers. So keep track of your mileage, where you're going, the business purpose, and you never know. And if it turns out that your numbers are higher than what the rideshare company provides, go ahead and use it. Meticulous record keeping is important here, though. You cannot not have good records. Again, summertime can be also a good time for travel, right? Especially for business travel. So if you're attending conferences or you're going for additional educational conferences, keep track of the receipts, the accommodation, the flights, the business meals that you happen to take during these summer travel. So summer travel is a big thing during summer. So make sure you're keeping good records so that you can write them off on your taxes and ultimately lower your taxes. One last thing I'd like to talk about is home improvement. So if you're thinking of installing energy saving windows or doors, you can actually get tax credits out of that. Talk to your CPA, talk to your financial advisor, talk to your tax professional. There's a way you can plan around that so that you can write off maximum amount of tax credits on new windows. So please keep that in mind. If you have any more questions or you need additional clarification, please don't hesitate to reach out to me directly. Again, this is Olga with GEM Accounting and Tax. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.